in this experiment, you will need a stick and 7 glasses and some tissue papers and food coloring and some water. So first, I'm going to pour the water in some cups. So now, I'm going to keep these cups I have over here in the middle of the other cups. And now, we're going to fold these papers like this. This, and then like that. You put the food inside. I'm going to put this one in here. You will skip this one because it has no water. So you're just going to put it in the cups that have water. And now I'm going to mix it. And now I'm going to put the tissue papers in here. And you will see the water is starting to travel in and out. So you will wait till tomorrow, and then the water will start to travel all along the cups. And you see it's already started to travel. So now you will see the water is done traveling to the glasses. Now I will show you how. So the water is traveling from these little holes even if the gravity is pulling it. That is called as a capillary action. So now I will show you how it's happening. I'll show you how the water is going to travel. You see the water is starting to go up. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.